Aloha guys, I just want to start by thanking all of you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope to make it better and better each time. I just want to share our ohana living and this beautiful paradise that we live in. I'm starting to see new subscribers, and I thank you for that. And please keep supporting, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Aloha. Today we are taking a trip up to the North Shore, going to grab Banzai Bagel. But we are here at Starbucks grabbing some coffee, and so we got our coffee and my vanilla soy latte. It's Valentine's Day, so the lid says love, which is pretty cool. Heading out. This is a little snack for the kind of a long short drive that we have up to the North Shore. Traffic ahead of us. I think many are here for the beach scene. Haleiwa town is pretty packed today. We're still gonna get our bagels. After Banzai, oh, that's not a parking. Shoot. Let's go check out the Huli Huli chicken setup here at Ray's. Keki's putting in her order. Kiawe broiled. Yeah, that's pretty awesome, man. Order. It's a 30-minute. Got some really good Huli Huli chicken here, so I'm gonna go hide back in the truck while we wait for our chicken. Then we're gonna probably head back out and see if we can still get Banzai bagels. It's a bit late, so I don't know if they're still having any leftovers. I'm pretty sure they're gone, but we're gonna give it a try. If not, worst we could do is grab Banzai bowl, some good North Shore acai bowl. Yep. How is it?
It's a half an hour wait.
All right, so it's about a half an hour wait, and a lot of people out here. So we're just going to kind of just hang out here for a little bit, maybe go shopping in Malama over here for some water.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls.
Alright guys, looks like the traffic is just way too crazy to head over to the Banzai Bagels, so we're gonna settle in for Banzai bowl over here, get some good acai bowl, and then maybe on our next trip out this side we're gonna hopefully get some bagels.
Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head.
Alright, so we got, what is this? The Maui sunrise. So yeah. Here we go guys. Woohoo! Maui sunrise. Gonna be going down with a vengeance. It's gonna be really good. So we didn't make it to Banzai Bagels and ended up with Banzai bowl. And I just dropped my blueberry, which is horrible. But I'm gonna make my way to the truck now before I drop more. So I just dropped one of my blueberries. Crap. So, all right. Gotta get it back, drop my blueberries. But yeah, we did not make it to the, again, repeating myself. We gotta really enjoy this. This is gonna be, I know I just love, usually we go to the one over there by Ted's Bakery by Sunset, and then now we're just in Haleiwa town, just grabbing this, so, all right. So before I hit the road again, take a couple of bites here. Man, look at this, fresh blueberries. And the coconut shavings. Ooh. All these fruits on top. I can't even get down to the acai part. Oh, this is large. Usually
It's a large.
they pack this thing really good. Anyway, gotta eat all my fruits and stuff before I get down to the bottom.
It's hard to eat it.
Yeah, well, it's gonna start, keep falling. But yeah, some of that banana. Yeah. There we go. We're down to the icy cold part and the nuts. Wow. The Banzai bowl, and just too crazy hectic out here, guys. We're gonna go through now. The decision is to see if I want to go back through Haleiwa town or go back around. I think we're gonna go back around, because if we go through Haleiwa town again, we're gonna be stuck.
Lift me up in your branches. We can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head.
There was just no way we could have gotten out there to Sharks Cove in time to have any leftover for bagels. But no bagels today, guys. There was no way we're gonna make it in time. They have probably run out. That traffic was just too bad. So we're gonna head home, and I'm actually gonna enjoy this every stoplight we have. But enjoy your Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's and many aloha. But oh yeah, we got that Huli Huli chicken that we're gonna be enjoying later too. So it was worth the trip. This long, short, mini trip to the North Shore has been worth it with the Banzai bowl. No bagel, but yeah. Enjoy, guys. Aloha.
Aloha.